these fucking drawers, keywords.
Really? You guys are working for me. You can't be drinking. You either.
Shit, free labor can drink and smoke.
These what the walls looking like. The walls is all gonna be black. What is that? Look at them painting over stuff. Look at them. And then these ugly floors is gonna be covered with this color. And then this cabinet is gonna be gray. I mean gold. It's gonna be gold. It's gonna be gold. Then we're gonna cover up that too. And yeah, I got a vision, and it is coming alive with the help of these two.
Yeah.
Yay! Nothing in here is gonna be pink. What did you say?
I said, so we got Yard Boy out the bed to come help me paint this motherfucker. This fat ass went to sleep all day. Get your big ass up.
Anyway, yeah. So this is what it's looking like. Yeah! You guys are doing a good job.
So what I'm gonna have you do, Baron, is your big ass gonna have to get on this ladder. Shit. I know you're afraid. But your big
Why?
ass get up there and hit the edge where the tape is, so I can just roll it. That tape, Baron?
What's that yours?
Bluetooth mode.
My speaker.
Oh.
Connected.
Alright, so this is what it's looking like so far. We got the TV up there. The floor is done. It's not green no more. The bed is put together. We painted the cabinets. They're gold. And then we changed the knobs. And I cleaned out the cabinets a couple days ago. This is my towel warmer. Yesterday I just took everything out the boxes as much as I could, so that way today I don't have a whole bunch of boxes. So I put it together, the cards, I have 3, and then I put this together. Baron put that together, the bookshelf. James put the TV on the wall. I had hooked up my internet from my iPad because I'm not going to pay for internet because it's too much money. Here's my fan. So yeah, so everything is looking. So yeah, so we about to just like, I think I'm gonna start right here and clear this area and put everything on the floor. I'm just gonna turn on a Tubi movie and we're gonna get this going. So I'm gonna put y'all up here. Okay, bye.
One wash.
Every time I close my eyes, I wake up feeling so horny. I can't get you out of my mind. 'Cause sex and you be all I see. I would give anything just to make you understand me. I don't give a damn about nothing else. Freaking you is all I need. I need your baby.
Some products over from the other beauty bar. So this is them. This is my eyelash shampoo. That's what it looks like. Then we got our soap, skincare serums, and we got our cards, candle. Then I have brought some more products over, some beauty blenders, and then I have decorations down there. So the fish tank is gonna go right here. It's on the floor. It's a little one. It's a 10 gallon, so it should fit perfectly up there. And then this is what this area is looking like. So this sink, the water don't get hot. So, but I always boil my water anyway when I'm about to do facials. So that's. Let me move it over a little bit. About to warm up the water right here. So far I've been stacking my supplies for lashing. Oh, I need to get some cotton balls. Oh my god, I forgot. Did I get some cotton balls? No, but I need to get some. So in here I have skincare products, bows, Q-tips, gauze. Up there, it's just a bed protector. I need to get some I'll just take some from the other beauty bar for right now. My towel warmer. The towels are at home, but they're gonna go in here. They're in the dryer. I got my cleaning supply down here with my fan, and I got my carts. I got 3 of them. 1, 2, 3. Then I got my broom, my vacuum, my mop. I brought the teeth whitening machine over here because it's only going to be offered over here. And then this is where all my supplies are going to go in here. And then here's my steamer. I'm still waiting on my big boy machine to come. So for now, I'll just use this. And then this is everything for my teeth whitening. I'm about to put that away. And then these are the rocks and stuff for the fish aquarium. And that's trash. So yeah. So this is what it's looking like. Pictures. It's the bed. The floor came out really good. So yeah. Oh, I have to show y'all this. And then I got my little drink set up. I think I'm gonna move this. What if I put it right here? Like that. Or no. Maybe I'll put.
You don't want to do that, brother.
I'll just put it right there for now.
Because I used to be you.
And I got this line. I only could fit royalty on there, so. Got my little speaker. I got this from DD's. I think these came from Amazon. So yeah. Then I got my TV. Pictures, yes. See my vision, y'all? This one is more elegant. The other one is more cute, you know? So yeah. It looks good. Anyways, you guys, so I'm gonna be back in a minute. I think I'm about to go find me something to eat. What time is it? Before I do the fish tank. So I'm about to Google what's over here because I don't even know. And I'll be back in a little bit. Bye.